What's up mga ka-riders? This is Kuya Santi, and for this video, for the first time sa channel niya, iba-bike check natin yung mismong bike ni FMTB rider. So, check it out.
So, ito yung build ko. Trinks na stock bike lang to dati. Ang parts nito dati no start is Shimano Altus all the way. Naka-hydraulic na combo shifter. So, ngayon, ito yung build. Full group set is Diore, as you can see. Diore sa harap, Diore sa likod. Same as the FD. All the way yan. Frame is Trinks D700 Elite na 6061. Fork, Manitou Machete na true axle, 100mm na travel. Wheel set naman is Speed 1 hubs, Ragusa na spokes, and U32TL na Wayman rims. Gulong is CST Jackrabbit na 2.25, 27.5 na CST Jackrabbit. Cockpit is Weapon Predator na 800mm na handlebar. Puputulin pa naman yan, not original na ano. Stem is Sagmit na 60mm na negative 17 na angle. Headset is Labici na tago 1K. So, Dior brakes and weapon na grips. Saddle naman at saka seat post is stock na seat post. Weapon flight 1 or 2 na saddle. Dahil mayroong straps dahil sira-sira na. So yan yung build ko ngayon, and maraming salamat sa inyo for supporting. So like kung nagustuhan nyo ang content natin or this video, subscribe for more videos like this, and peace out!